In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Git on Windows 11. By the end, you'll have Git set up and ready to support your development workflow. All you need is a Windows 11 PC and an internet connection. First, open your favorite web browser and head to the official Git website. If you're not sure of the exact address, a quick search for Git download will get you there. Make sure you're on the official site so you get the latest, safe installer. On the home page, you'll see a clear download option for Windows. The site typically detects your system automatically, so you don't have to guess which version you need. Next, download the Windows installer for Git. Click the Windows Download button, and your browser will begin saving the installer file. It's usually a small executable. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a location you can find easily, like your Downloads folder. Wait for the download to finish before moving on. When the download completes, run the installer to launch the setup wizard. If Windows prompts you with a security or user account control message, confirm that you want to proceed. The Git setup wizard will open with a welcome screen and a license notice. This is standard, and you can continue through to the configuration screens. As you move through the wizard, you can keep the default options or adjust settings as needed. The defaults work well for most users. You'll see choices like installation location, which can stay as suggested. Components usually include Git Bash and Git GUI, both helpful tools that are enabled by default. You may be asked to select a default editor. If you don't have a preference, leaving it as is perfectly fine. There's an option about adding Git to your system path, which allows you to use Git from the command line and other tools. The recommended default is a solid choice. You'll also see a setting for line endings between Windows and Unix systems. The suggested default helps maintain compatibility in cross-platform projects. Other screens may mention terminal preferences and performance options. Unless you have a specific need, accepting the defaults keeps things simple and reliable. When you're ready, click Install and let the wizard do the work. You'll see a progress bar while files are copied and configured. This usually takes just a minute or two. Finally, click Finish to exit the installer. You can leave any optional checkboxes as they are. That's it. Git is now installed on your Windows 11 machine and ready for your projects.